y'all, we back on the cam or whatever. We all dressed. Look at everybody looking so cute.
What's goody?
Good sign. So y'all, we're about to head to the aquarium, right? We're waiting for our Lyft driver right now, so we're about to head to the aquarium, and then we're going to eat at the turkey leg hut. I'm so excited about that, y'all. I've been talking about this like literally like all week. Like I cannot wait to eat there. So I'll see you guys once we actually get to the aquarium. So they got me to get on this darn Ferris wheel, right? I've never been on a Ferris wheel in my life, and this thing is pretty scary. Pretty scary. Wait, why is it stopping? Is people getting on? Like, why are we?
Possibly.
See, we're gonna be on here for about 30 minutes.
I forgot I'm scared of heights.
That's how you forget you scared.
Tam is laughing.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I don't like that. So guys, we are finally leaving the darn aquarium. We're about to head to the turkey leg hut and get some food. I'm so excited about that. So we're about to head there. Waiting for our Uber now. We're about to head to the turkey leg hut. So I'll see y'all once I get there. I'll show y'all my food, show y'all my drinks or whatever. Like I really heard good things about the turkey leg hut, so I'm super excited. So I'll see y'all once I get to the turkey leg hut. Hey, okay. Y'all get around some black folk and y'all know how I act. I need something to the bed. Oh my Hey guys, so we just made it back in from the turkey leg hut, and we are freaking exhausted from traveling. We've been eating all day, so we're exhausted. We're about to take a nap, and then we're going to try to make it out tonight. So yeah, I need a power nap. I am exhausted, but the turkey leg hut was bomb as expected. I turned it up to 75. And this Airbnb that we staying at, y'all, is like super close to everything. Like I would definitely recommend this Airbnb. Woo! Is this your rope? Yeah, it's my rope. So I'll see y'all once I get up from this little nap I'm about to take. Good morning. It's the next day or whatever. I'm trying to think if I want to make some coffee. But today we are going rock climbing today. Then we're heading to brunch, and then later on in the day we're going to our rodeo. So I'm excited about that. So last night, y'all, I need to update y'all. We were supposed to go out. We were supposed to take a nap for like an hour, then get up and go out. But we were like super exhausted from traveling. So we were just tired. Like we did not make it out. We ended up waking up and it was like already like 1 o'clock in the morning. So we just didn't do anything after we came back to the Airbnb from the turkey leg hut. So yeah, that's that. So I'm about to get in the shower in a few. I'm gonna get in the shower in a few. And put my stuff on to go rock climbing. So that's what I'm about to do. I just had to come update y'all or whatever. Hey guys, so I'm back on the camera or whatever. So I did my brows and put on some concealer. So we're waiting for our I keep saying waiting for our Airbnb. We're waiting for our lift to come get us. We're about to head to the rock climbing gym. Tim, is this him?
Yeah.
So we're about to get in the car now. That's what it's for.
That must be a thing.
Please look. And look who's here, guys. His name is Lucky. Lucky. He's super cute. Oh, this light right here. Oh, this is a good lighting.
Featuring the dog.
So yeah, we signed our waivers and we're about to go rock climbing. So I'm gonna get some footage for y'all as we are going up on the rocks. So yeah.
Yeah, you guys are very nice. Alright, we're ready, say take.
Yo, Sam. Where's she looking?
When you hear take off, you can let go, lean back, and put both feet against the wall.
Take on!
I think this is
All about this feet. Whatever she said.
Yeah.
Like to.
Oh, okay, there we go.
Whenever you're ready to come down, say lower me.
That's so good.
So you don't want to
Wave. Sam, wave.
So guys, just a little update. We are done rock climbing. It was I don't know. It wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be. But we're about to head to get some breakfast. It is currently 12:04 in the afternoon, so more like brunch. The weather feels so much better today. It was super cold yesterday. It's kind of windy, but it's sunny. So about to go get something to eat because we are starving. So yeah, I'll see y'all once we get to the breakfast club. Wait, is my lash coming off? I can't even see. Alright, see you guys later.